Hello, welcome back to Learn Economia. In this video, we are going to see yet another topic in the arena of environment economics, types of value. The term value is used in many ways in different studies on economic valuation of forest goods as well as services, including use values and non-use values. It's very important to clarify the meanings of the different types of values, as the term can have distinct meanings. What is use value? Use value refers to the benefits that a user obtains. Either this could be directly or this could be indirectly. So this the value or the benefit a person obtains by using a particular environmental service or by using a particular environmental resource or by participating in a particular type of activity. So this is known as use value. Consumptive use can be described as participation in activities that utilize and possibly deplete the forest resource. Examples of this include hunting, fishing, cutting of trees, etc. While non-consumptive values are those uses or activities that do not affect the resource. Examples are bird watching in a national park, appreciating a view at a particular outlook, etc. Now, having discussed the use values, let's come to non-use values. This do not involve any actual physical consumption of forest goods as well as services, because in this case you are not using any particular service or goods. Okay, examples include increases in productivity, well-being, health, longevity, feelingness of peace, tranquility, and decrease in stress levels. These are further classified as existence option, quasi-option, bequest, and vicarious values. Okay. Existence values are those benefits that benefits from knowledge that non-temporal amenities as well as resources will continue to exist regardless of the fact that that amenity or the resource may never be used or seen or visited. In the case of option values, this leads to the willingness to pay for an option to have the certain resource or service available in future when there is an uncertainty attached to its supply. Okay. And in simple terms, you can see that the option value has been defined as a value of opportunity for obtaining better information by delaying a decision that may cause irreversible changes. Quasi-option value is slightly complicated. It relates to willingness to pay to avoid an irreversible development given an expectation that knowledge about impact is in the offing. Bequest value is a value assigned to preserving a resource for use by future generation. And in the case of forestry, you can see that a bequest value could occur if a person is willing and is able to pay for a preservation of forest so that his children and his grandchildren or his coming generations find the resource in the intact state. Vicarious value deals with uh, the value placed on a resource that may have never been used or planned to be used, but benefit may be derived from mere pictures, descriptions, and other representations of the resource. Vicarious values may include information that certain rare species of animals like spotted owls, pine, uh, martens, falcons, etc. still exist. In addition to that, in the case of vicarious value, there may be no motive other than mere knowledge of existence or preservation of a natural environment, and this value is considered to be a variant of the existence value. So that's all. I hope you could have a better idea regarding the difference between use value and non-use value, and all the different sub-classifications which come under use value as well as in the case of non-use values. So please do consider this channel for liking, sharing as well as subscribing, and I welcome you to my Telegram group as well as Telegram channel. You are always welcome to be a part of these. I'll be providing the links of the same in the description box, so you can be a part of these as well as uh, uh, you can discuss your doubts and you can get the same clarified by being a part of these. Okay, thank you.